Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you: the Apple Magic Keyboard versus the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the Apple Magic Keyboard. This wireless keyboard connects seamlessly to your Mac, iPad, or iPhone via Bluetooth, providing you with a hassle-free typing experience. It's worth noting that the Magic Keyboard is rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. With its sleek design and comfortable typing experience, the Magic Keyboard is perfect for those long work or writing sessions. Plus, the incredibly long-lasting internal battery means you can go weeks without charging. It even comes with a woven USB-C to Lightning cable for easy pairing and charging. The Magic Keyboard is compatible with a Mac running macOS 11.3 or later, an iPad with iPadOS 14.5 or later, or an iPhone or iPod Touch with iOS 14.5 or later. Now let's move on to the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard. This keyboard is designed with ergonomics in mind, making your workdays more comfortable. The wave-shaped design of this compact keyboard places your hands, wrists, and forearms in a natural typing position, reducing strain and fatigue. It also features a cushioned palm rest with memory foam, providing additional support and reducing pressure on your wrists. Personalize your typing experience with the Logi Options Plus app, where you can choose shortcuts that save time and keep your work flowing smoothly. The Wave Keys ergonomic keyboard is Ergo certified, meeting the criteria set out by leading ergonomists and approved by United States Ergonomics. You can connect this keyboard wirelessly via Bluetooth or use the Logi Bolt receiver for a reliable connection. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, iPadOS, and ChromeOS. Plus, it boasts an impressive battery life of up to 3 years. For the ultimate comfortable experience, you can pair the Wave Keys ergonomic keyboard with the Lift Vertical ergonomic mouse. Now let's compare the prices of these two keyboards. The Apple Magic Keyboard is priced at $99. On the other hand, the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard comes in at a more budget-friendly price of $59. When it comes to typing experience, both keyboards have their strengths. The Apple Magic Keyboard offers a remarkably comfortable and precise typing experience thanks to its well-designed keys and responsive feedback. Meanwhile, the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard provides a natural typing position with its wave-shaped design, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. In terms of compatibility, let's see which keyboard works with more devices. The Apple Magic Keyboard is compatible with Macs running macOS 11.3 or later, iPads with iPadOS 14.5 or later, and iPhones or iPod Touches with iOS 14.5 or later. On the other hand, the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS, iPadOS, and ChromeOS, giving you more flexibility across different devices. Battery life is an important factor to consider, especially for wireless keyboards. The Apple Magic Keyboard boasts an incredibly long-lasting internal battery that can power your keyboard for about a month or more between charges, depending on your usage. Meanwhile, the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard offers an impressive battery life of up to 3 years, ensuring you won't have to worry about frequent charging. Based on Amazon reviews, customers have praised both keyboards for their unique features and advantages. And that concludes our comparison of the Apple Magic Keyboard and the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard. Both keyboards have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize sleek design, compatibility with Apple devices, and a comfortable typing experience, the Apple Magic Keyboard might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if ergonomics, affordability, and customizable options are what you seek, the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard could be the perfect fit. Remember, the best keyboard for you is the one that suits your individual requirements. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below letting us know which keyboard you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.